Thank you for watching my video and subscribing to my YouTube channel. You're welcome to Elite Professional YouTube channel. This is a video on how to make an interactive dashboard with Excel. Excel dashboards are quick and easy to learn and use for data analysis and for visualization. I will show you how to make an awesome Excel dashboard like this. This is a sales dashboard, shows management the performance on their products in all the different categories. The dashboard enables management to identify where improvements are needed and what kind of decision to make to improve such performance. The full tutorial video will be updated next week Friday, so subscribe and press the bell icon to get an update once it is updated. In addition, we would be making similar dashboards on PowerBi and Tableau. Along the line, we would leverage the power on SQL to query data from the database and connect it to the Power BI. You are going to enjoy these series and learn a whole lot. Once again, welcome to Elite Professional. Thank you and see you in the next video.